Mr. Muggins, much as I enjoy your excellent company, that's a blasted lie for a start. I must be completely honest, only polite. Huh? My dear Mr. Muggins, it's only a suggestion, but why don't you take your stinking carcass out of our bloody tent? If only I had the nerve.